Hello everyone. Happy October 11th. Today we celebrate girls, coming out, and the joy of sausage pizza. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Day of the Girl, a global celebration of empowerment, education, and opportunity. A great gift could be a STEM activity kit, a motivational book for young girls, or a donation to a girls' education fund. Who's a girl who inspires you? Let's lift her up in the comments. Next, it's National Coming Out Day, a powerful reminder to honor identity, courage, and love. A sweet gift could be a pride-themed care package, a supportive message card, or a donation to LGBTQ+ organizations. What does authenticity mean to you? Let's celebrate it together below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Sausage Pizza Day, a savory celebration of cheesy, meaty goodness. A thoughtful gift could be a pizza stone, a gourmet sausage sampler, or a pizza night party kit. What's your ultimate pizza topping combo? Let's slice into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 11th to 15th, so you'll get gift ideas early.
Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.